tonight I'm making some chicken enchiladas. It's a great Mexican dish, really flavorful, and the way I make it is really, really easy. It takes about 10 minutes to make it and about 15 minutes to bake it. So it's a really quick weeknight meal when you come home from work. It's a great thing to make. So the ingredients are very simple. I'm making chicken enchiladas, so I have chicken already cut up to go in. I'm going to be using a prepared enchilada sauce that I bought at the grocery store, Mexican style cheese, and then when the tortillas are all done, we'll be topping them off with some lettuce and tomato. And you can add avocados if you have them. So I'm going to start by sauteing the chicken in some light cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil. I'm using about a pound of chicken here. And that's a nice amount for 2 or 3 people. So right now I'm adding some enchilada sauce to the chicken. Just enough to keep it covered. I'm also going to add a little bit of the cheese into the mix. This is all going to go inside of the tortillas. Okay, now I'm going to prep the tortillas. Basically, it's pretty easy. You just take as much as you want to put inside with some sauce and some chicken. And then I'm going to roll up the tortilla. You can also add, rice or beans or other things if you want to. I'm just keeping it simple tonight. Okay, the final step before I put them in the oven to bake is to add some nice sauce on top. I tend to like a lot of sauce on my enchiladas, so I'm fairly generous with it. And then I'm going to top it with cheese. And I'll put them in the oven for probably 10 or 15 minutes. I usually just leave them in long enough to heat everything up and get the cheese melted. All right, we'll just wait 15 minutes and they should be done. Okay, these are definitely done. The sauce is bubbling and the cheese is melted, so they are ready to serve. Okay, so these are our completed chicken enchiladas, served with a topping of tomatoes and iceberg lettuce. You can always add sour cream if that's your preference, or avocados if you have some around. And it's ready to eat.